So today we are going to see maths activity of parallel lines and transversal. So here are the requirements for the activity. So now you will be needing ice cream sticks or you can use matchsticks, the cuttings of angles if you want. Here is one scale for calculation. You will be needing markers, glue and craft papers with scissor. Now we are going to see interior angle property. As we know, when we are going to deal with two parallel lines, that is line M and line N are two parallel lines and line L is the transversal. In that, whichever angles are formed on the both side of the transversal are interior angles which lies inside of two parallel lines. So here you can see in the figure that angle 1, angle 2, angle 3 and angle 4 are four interior angles of two parallel lines which are formed by the transversal L. So this is how it satisfies the property of interior angles. So let's see alternate pair of angles. As you can see here that line M and line L are two parallel lines and L is the transversal. In that the two exterior angles which will be one side of a transversal and the next angle will be exterior of the other side, that is angle 2 here and angle 4 here are pair of alternate angles. So we can say that angle 2 and angle 4 are pair of alternate angles. Now here, as we have seen that previously alternate pair of angles, so here is one more alternate exterior pair, that is angle 1 and angle 3 are alternate to each other and they are of exterior pair of alternate angles of line M and N, because these both angles lies on the exterior side of the two parallel lines and they are alternate to each other and they will be measuring with the same length. So here is one more alternate angle, that is of line M and the L is the transversal. Then we can say this angle 1 and this angle 3 are alternate to each other and they are interior alternate angle pair of angles, where angle 1 and angle 3 are alternate and they are in equal length. Let's see what are corresponding angles of a parallel lines. Now we have made two parallel lines, that is line M and line N are two parallel lines and line L is the transversal to line M and N. Now as we know, corresponding angles, pair of corresponding angles are angles formed at one side of a transversal. They are said to be corresponding angles. For that we have to keep in mind which are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are angles, you can see this is the side left side and this is the right side, one side of a transversal. One for keeping in mind and for remembering, we have noted a common technique, that is one angle will be an exterior and one angle will be an interior, then that angles are said to be corresponding pair of angles at one side of a transversal. So here angle 4 and angle 3 are pair of corresponding angles as they are to the right side of the transversal, whereas we can say to the left side there are two angles corresponding to each other, that is angle 1 and angle 2 are corresponding pairs of angles, as we have seen in right hand side that angle 4 and angle 3 are also corresponding to each other in this figure. So I hope you are going to try this activity. Thank you.